In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import questions from Google Sheets to Paperform. Whether you're managing surveys, quizzes, or collecting information, this seamless integration can save you tons of time and effort. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, we'll begin by creating a new form. Head over to your Paperform dashboard and create a blank form. This will serve as the canvas where your questions will soon appear. Once you've set up this new form, the next step involves accessing the Quick Integrations feature. While in the form editor, there's a nifty shortcut. Simply type / followed by the word Google. This is your gateway into integrating Google Sheets with your Paperform setup. Now, let's talk about connecting your Google account. If you haven't already connected your account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Make sure to select the Google account that holds the sheet you're planning to import. Ensuring you're connected to the correct account is crucial, as this will grant you access to the necessary data. After connecting your Google account, it's time to choose the specific Google Sheet and its corresponding worksheet that contains your questions. Paperform will give you the option to select exactly where you want to pull your content from, so make sure you're familiar with the structure of your files. Navigating through the right sheet and worksheet is essential to ensure you're bringing in the correct data. The next crucial step is mapping the columns from your Google Sheet to questions in Paperform. Here, Paperform will display the columns present in your worksheet. It's up to you to map these to the fields you wish to create in your form. For instance, if you have a column titled Question Titles in your Google Sheet, align it with the question field in Paperform. This step is all about aligning your data fields correctly to ensure your form displays exactly what you need. Finally, once you've set your mappings, it's time to import your questions. With a simple click, Paperform will generate questions in the form you created earlier. This automation allows you to transition smoothly from a spreadsheet of questions to a fully interactive form equipped with all the questions you intended. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to transfer your questions from Google Sheets to Paperform. This process not only simplifies your workflow, but also ensures that your data is transferred accurately and quickly. Keep practicing, and soon this integration will become a seamless part of your form building toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy form making.